Hello everyone, I'm Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to properly use your quad cane. Whether you purchase a quad cane with the extra handle or without it, how you hold, position, and walk with the cane is the same. Before we begin, please note that what I'll be explaining and showing you is intended as general guidelines and should not replace professional medical advice. Quad canes are usually used for people who have a weakness in one of their legs and need some extra support in order to walk better. First, let's talk about how to hold and adjust the height of the cane. Let's make sure the height is right for you. Stand tall and relaxed next to your quad cane. Confirm that your handle is aligned with the crease of your wrist. Your elbow should be slightly bent as well. If you need to know how to adjust the height or base, please check out our assembly video for clear and easy instructions at PELEGON.com. Hold the cane on the side opposite to your weaker leg. For example, if your left leg is weaker, hold the cane in your right hand. For educational purposes, I marked my weaker leg with a bandage. And as you can see, I'm holding the cane in the opposite hand. Place your cane about 2 inches from your foot. Notice that the wider part of the base points outside of your foot. Remember, if you need help adjusting the cane to either side, see the assembly video. Now, let's get started practicing walking. Use your arm to move the quad cane forward, then step forward with your opposite foot. Bring your other foot forward to meet it. Feel free to take smaller steps if you need to. Make sure that the base of the cane is stable while you're moving forward. If you do feel stable enough, you can step forward with the cane and your weaker leg at the same time, and then step through with your stronger leg, and continue with this pattern. And that's it. With practice and caution, you'll be a pro at using your PELEGON quad cane. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye for now.